If you are planning to invest in the stock market, you don't need huge amount like 100,000 pesos, 50,000 pesos, not even 10,000 pesos, but just 1,000 pesos and you can start building real wealth in the stock market. You may say it is impossible. That's exactly what I used to think a few years back. I always believed investing was only for the rich and for those people wearing formal outfit and people who understand numbers and graphs. But today I'm going to show you how any beginner, even you, can start investing in the Philippine Stock Exchange with just 1,000 pesos. No complicated terminology, no overwhelming strategies, just a simple, realistic path to getting started. And by the end of this video, you will not only know how to start, you will actually feel confident enough to take your first step. Let me start with something very basic yet very important. Investing is not about being rich. It's about being rich slowly and intentionally. I remember the first time I thought about investing. I hesitated. 1,000 pesos, that's too small. It won't matter. But here's the truth. The amount doesn't matter as much as the habit. Because investing is like planting a tree. You don't wait until you have a forest. You start with one seed, and the 1,000 pesos, that's your seed. So, what exactly is the Philippine Stock Exchange? Think of it like a marketplace, but instead of buying clothes or gadgets, you're buying ownership in companies. When you invest in stocks, you're saying, I believe this company will grow and I want to grow with it. Companies like banks, telcos, food chains, and energy companies are all there for you to choose. And here's something that will excite you. You don't need to be an expert to start. You just need to understand the basics, and I'll walk you through it right now. Starting is actually simpler than most people think. Here's what you need. First, a stock brokerage account. This is your entry to the stock market. Popular beginner-friendly platforms include Call Financial, which I use since 2007, BDO Securities, and First Metro Sec. Second, a valid ID for verification. And third, your 1,000 pesos starting capital. Yes, that's it. Now here's something essential. Some stocks in a PSE can actually be bought in board lots that fit within 1,000 pesos. So don't think it's too small. It's enough to begin. Now let's make this real. With 1,000 pesos, you won't be buying the most expensive stocks. And that's okay. Beginners shouldn't focus on expensive versus cheap. Instead, focus on strong and stable companies. Companies you understand and businesses you see every day. For example, banks, utility companies, consumer goods companies. You can start small but smart. And here's a mindset shift that changed everything for me. You're not trying to get rich overnight. You're trying to build momentum. Because once you start, it becomes easier to add another 1,000 pesos and another and another. Let me save you from mistakes I wish I avoided. My mistake number one, expecting quick profits. This is not gambling, it is investing. Mistake number two is following hype. If everyone is suddenly talking about the stock, you are probably late. Mistake number three is not starting at all. This is the biggest one. Waiting for the perfect time is the fastest way to stay stuck. Because the truth is, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. If you are just starting, keep it simple. Here's a beginner strategy. Number one, start with 1,000 pesos. Don't overthink it. And next, invest in one solid company, something stable and understandable. And third, you add regularly. Even 500 or 1,000 monthly is powerful. And then think long term. Years, not days. This is how real wealth is built, not through luck, but through consistency. Let me leave you with this thought. Your future self is watching you right now, And they're asking one question. Did you start or did you wait? Because 5 years from now, 1,000 pesos won't feel small. It will feel like the moment everything changed. So don't wait until you feel ready. You start small, start scared, but start today. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs that push. Because investing is not just about money, it's about taking control of your future. I'll see you in the next video.